Okay, let's start crazy. So what you're gonna do is download yung Telegram. After that, meron nitong wallet. Yung wallet, of course, merong P2P. Yung P2P, I think pwede ka magkameron ng passive income dito sa P2P kasi tinan mo, pagka nag-create ad ka, tapos hindi ako pwede. You're currently can't create purchase ad. Pero I think pagka nasa Pilipinas ka, pwede. Tapos, sell. I think pang sell lang to. I-try mo, crazy. Tapos, let's put 1,000. Not enough coins. I-try mo, crazy. Pero anyway, I wanna show you kung anong meron sa P2P. So, I wanna buy. Tingnan mo ang meron siya, oh. Maya, GCash. And if you put buy, payment method, Maya, details. Please contact me as soon as possible after placing an order. Note, only trade here. I will not add another chat. Good. So, it means it's legit. Tira mo ito, online. Meron pang check sign. Oh, GCash. Strictly no third-party payment. I will return the payment when the buyer uses third-party payment without consent of the payer. Before we proceed, it is necessary to include on the note payment for my USDT TON order in Telegram P2P. Without note, I will not release the asset. This is to avoid scam. Okay? So, I think it's easy, crazy. Tinan mo, ang price nila is 61. Oh, almost 62. So, I think it's good. So, before we proceed, include on the note, payment for my USDT/ton. Okay. Oh, ang daming seller, oh. Tamo, 69 pa nga eh. Third party not allowed, of course. 60, 61, 62. Eto, tingnan mo to, 5,000 trades na, 2,000 trades, 4,000, magpa 5,000. Ito bago lang to, small owl. Try mo. Malay mo. I-try mo mag-cash out. Na-figure out ko na kung paano mag-add ng pera. So, kakapasok lang. Ang ginawa ko ay external wallet, Toncoin. Kinapi ko lang yung address. And then, that's it. Okay? Hope you enjoy.